My name is Rose Genele. I'm the CEO of The Opening Door, which is a responsible AI integration and development agency. I like to share things that I learn about AI that are going to be helpful to you as we continue to use AI more. It becomes more integrated into various aspects of our life, both professional and personal. Here's something that you need to know. Yes, AI will snitch on you. Okay? That is the truth. It's not clickbait. It's actually a direct warning from OpenAI's very own CEO, Sam Altman. And so think about every personal detail that you've shared with ChatGPT, every private thought that you've confided in it. It's all being recorded. It's being stored. It could be handed over to lawyers or corporations or worse at any time. So here's what I don't want you to ignore. During his appearance on Theo Vaughn's This Past Weekend podcast, Sam Altman issued a pretty stark warning that should concern anybody that's sharing personal information with AI. That is, if you go to talk to ChatGPT about your most sensitive stuff, and then there's a lawsuit, they could be required to produce that. That is almost verbatim what he said. So just let that sink in. The man that created ChatGPT is telling you, we will turn over your private conversations if legally required. More on that in a few. This isn't just about the New York Times lawsuit right now that is actually forcing OpenAI to keep all records. It's about a fundamental truth, which is when you talk to AI, you have zero privacy protection, no attorney-client privilege, no confidentiality, just surveillance kind of disguised as a helpful assistant. And this is not hypothetical. There is that current ongoing lawsuit between the New York Times and OpenAI where the court has already mandated that OpenAI retain all conversations, even the ones that you think that you deleted or you think you have used a temporary chat. It's required for them to retain that information. And so there is this reality where this is happening right now. It's not something hypothetical. It's not a data breach or somebody hacking the system. They're required already to retain all outputs, all conversations, and this information can be turned over at any time for various reasons. If you think about algorithmic monitoring systems, they scan your conversation for keywords and patterns. If you talk about work conflicts, or do you talk about financial stress? Do you talk about personal relationships? You could be silently profiled and categorized, rather, without ever knowing it. And your casual conversations are now becoming permanent data points that define you and how algorithms see you. Unlike private talks with friends or professionals, your AI chats live in hackable servers, your personal data, your emotional struggles, your workplace drama, relationship issues. Incredibly valuable on the dark web, perfect for blackmail, identity theft, and social engineering. So when these companies get breached, and they will, because they do, and that's life, your personal conversations become public commodities. And so now just imagine those same conversations being subpoenaed. When you vent to ChatGPT about toxic coworkers, and then imagine it shows up in a wrongful termination case. You confide about relationship problems, and then it ends up in your divorce proceedings or your custody battle. So your AI assistant isn't just helping you, it's actually archiving your private life for courts, corporations, criminals, anybody who gets their hands on your data. And keep in mind, this is not just OpenAI. Every major tech company is in this game. They're all building AI systems that remember everything you tell them to. And when governments come knocking with legal demands, such as in the case with New York Times and OpenAI, or when hackers break in, there goes your private thoughts. It becomes everybody's business. So I'm not saying to avoid AI entirely. I think what I'm saying here is be smart about what you share. Use chatbots for information, coding help, writing assistance, creative projects, but really think twice before sharing deep personal details and relationship issues and work conflicts. Anything that you wouldn't want to be read aloud in court, do not talk to chatbots about. So for sensitive conversations like this, stick to people that are bound by professional confidentiality and legal privilege. For personal support, whether it's therapy, legal advice, or family counseling, seek out human professionals who are legally required to protect your privacy. And pay attention to this warning that Sam Altman has given you. Don't ignore it. Don't be naive. Please be strategic about how you use AI. Get the benefits without sacrificing your privacy. Your future self will thank you for keeping some things private. Please share this with anyone who uses chatbots for personal conversations or AI companions. They deserve to know that their helpful AI assistant is more than just helpful. It also can be used as a surveillance tool. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again next time.